Panorama. Intangibles can now be made tangible and actionable. Welcome to the Panorama Assessment Tool, PAT Guide. Let's walk you through the process of getting started with your business assessment and making the most of PAT's features. First, visit panoramamas.com. Click on the Sign in /Sign Up button located on the top right of the page.
Now,
click on the Create a New Account to create your account. You'll need to fill in the required information to set up your profile. After you've done filling up the information, click on the Create Account button. Once that's done, check your inbox for a verification email. Just click the link to verify your email address and activate your account. You will be redirected to the sign-in page. Enter your email and password and click on the Sign-in button to proceed. Now you'll move on to the onboarding process. Here, you'll fill in your personal info and provide details about your business in the Business Info section. Then, you'll answer a few onboarding questions that will help us understand your business better. This setup ensures the tool is customized to meet your needs. Click on the Save and Submit button to proceed to the dashboard. Here's where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your business, including consultation booking, where you can consult with business analysts to get expert advice. Users management to manage additional users. Assessment reports, where you can view and download your assessment reports. Compare reports, where you can compare and analyze the reports between you and your coworkers. Pan AI, a useful AI model built to analyze your business assessment reports and provide you insightful information. Your dashboard is the control center for everything Panorama Assessment Tool offers. Now it's time to choose a plan that works best for your business. Go back to the dashboard and click on View Available Plans. Scroll down to Features by Plan section for an overview of our available plans. Let's take a look at the different plans available to help you find the one that best suits your business needs. Basic plan is designed for small teams and lasts for 6 months. It includes 1 user and 2 assessments. You'll have access to summary and detailed reports, along with the ability to download PDF reports. However, this plan does not include access to report comparisons, executive summaries, or consultations. This option is perfect for businesses looking for an affordable, straightforward solution for basic reporting and assessments. Next, the standard plan is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, and it offers 12 months of service. It includes 3 assessments per user, with up to 6 users. Like the basic plan, it provides access to summary and detailed reports, as well as PDF downloads. In addition, you gain access to report comparisons, allowing you to analyze performance across multiple assessments and identify key insights. However, this plan does not include executive summaries or consultations, making it ideal for businesses that need deeper analysis and comparison tools without the need for advanced executive-level support or personalized consultations. The premium plan is best suited for mid-sized companies, and it also lasts for 12 months. With this plan, you receive 4 assessments per user, and it accommodates up to 12 users. All report types, PDF downloads, and Pan AI access are included, along with the added benefits of report comparisons and executive summaries. Additionally, this plan offers 4 60-minute consultation sessions to help your business make the most of the data insights provided. This plan is ideal for businesses looking for comprehensive support and in-depth analysis. Finally, the custom plan is tailored to fit your unique business requirements. Pricing, the number of assessments, users, and other features like report comparisons, executive summaries, and consultations are all customizable. This plan is designed for businesses that need a flexible approach, allowing you to work with our team to create the perfect package that aligns with your specific needs. Now, we will demonstrate how the promo plan works. To take advantage of a promo plan, Simply enter the promo code you received from the Panorama team during a promotion on the promo code input field. This will allow you to access a plan either free of charge or at a discounted rate, depending on the promotion. You will receive an invoice. It will open on another window. Go back to the previous tab. Now click on Continue to Dashboard button to go back to your dashboard. There are a few key points noted to instruct you on how to answer the assessment questions. We encourage you read through the instructions before taking the assessment to ensure the best results from your assessment report. Now you're ready to take the assessment. Click on the Take Assessment button to continue. Answer the questions from various building blocks that cover key aspects of your business. These blocks help us provide a detailed analysis of your company's performance. The assessment contains approximately 150 structured questions divided in 10 blocks for you to answer based on your business, so don't forget to grab your coffee before starting the assessment. We'll fast forward the process on this video to skip to the end. Once you have finished answering all the questions, click on the Submit button. It will redirect you back to your dashboard. Your assessment has been taken, and our system will generate your assessment report within 5 to 10 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, contact us at info@panoramamas.com.